This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's go ahead and run it. And we are doing an 8 cities trip. And each city is identified by its latitude and longitude coordinates. And we start from one of the cities and visit each city once and then return to the originating city. And here we are using US cities, and the Haversine formula is used to calculate distances between cities. So this route has this distance in miles, and we take a look at the adjacent route, and we find that it has a shorter distance, so we proceed. And the difference between those two routes is that Houston and Austin are flipped, and here we take a look at the adjacent route, this one, and it is also shorter, so we proceed, and the difference between those two is that Chicago and New York are flipped. So now we are here, and we take a look at the adjacent route, and we find that it is bigger, so we stay. So we are here still on the same route, and we take a look at the adjacent route, and it has a shorter distance, so we proceed, and this adjacent route has LA and Austin flipped, and we keep doing this until we get here. So this route, and we keep taking a look at the adjacent routes, and they're all bigger, so we stay. Until iteration 99, so 100 iterations since we started from 0. And for the purpose of this prototype project, we consider 100 iterations to having reached a potential maxima, and that means this is the shortest route that we found using this hill climbing algorithm. And this source code will be available for download. Also a longer version that includes coding and test running the application will be available for viewing by channel members.